Skybox Enterprises.
My daddy was the first to break my heart, so I never loved him from the very start. My mama struggled with 6 kids, but she made shit happen. To this day, I don't know how she did. My best friend crossed me for a my cousin tried to set me up just so she could get a couple figures, and everything is exactly how I seen. Your main one be the first to witness your murder scene, and that loving on and the whole thing. Y'all niggas look for popular that are black queens. They say I wouldn't make it cause I speak the real, but I ain't gotta talk about my get a dollar bill.
Yo, it's QuanBoy Ent, Mr. You already know. I'm at Hollywood Smiles in Tampa with like the best person in the world. What's your name?
Alicia.
Alicia, the best professional whitening girl in the world.
Certified in this.
And she's certified. She told us to use this to get the debris out, any remaining debris, or like if you drunk anything so you can get it out.
So right now I'm putting this bib on him just in case he decided he want to drool. So this protects his shirt.
Yeah, and you know it's white, so.
Right, and bite in the back. So that your tongue, perfect. Your tongue should be behind the little blue thing that you feel.
It's QuanBoy Ent.
Freak out, yo.
I wear your love like lotion, and I put it slow motion. I throw it back in person. I mean it, your love is like lotion, boy. I wear your love like lotion, and I put it slow motion. I throw it back in person. I mean it, your love is love potion, boy. Baby, you make me smile. You make me feel like I'm chosen. Then you turn back right around and hurt me all over again. It hurts when I'm down. It hurts when I.
What they say?
Hear me, cause every real child damn gon' feel me. My whole life been consistent of struggle and stress. I'm supposed to be dead in prison, but look, I'm blessed. It's gonna be alright. Rest in peace, EJ. Rest in peace, Fraud. Rest in peace, Trina. Rest in peace, T. Rest in peace, Barbara. Rest in peace, Big Mike. Free money, that go to show you how to closer in your life over a little something. Ain't no sympathy in these streets, and ain't no friends, cause when you making more money, they turn to enemies. This ain't the worst, and they been through it all. And all family ain't family, wishing on your downfall. I take a L and come back like I ain't take no loss, and never need a handout, I always been my own boss.
Let's go. QuanBoy, you already know. Skybox Enterprises.